Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Enigma and you're watching Enigma Inc. So let's do Sagittarius for June 1st to 15th. Let's see what are the messages for you. This is going to be a general reading. Take what resonates, leave what does not. For personal readings and more accuracy, you can book me on WhatsApp or Instagram me. Details are given below. If you, in case you want to join manifestation workshop which is starting from June 10th, which is based on white magic. That is how you deal with the universe to manifest anything that you desire. So I'm going to teach you about 50 plus rituals, spells, affirmations, everything in one place, which are tried and tested. So interested people can WhatsApp me or Instagram me for the same. Follow me on Instagram for manifestation tips and offers, switch words, healing, and much more. And June horoscopes, which are coming up on my Instagram. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more such videos. Sagittarius, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs. Let's see what are the messages for Sagittarius. Oops. Wow, someone wants to build a home with you, like they want to marry you. I do see the first card that says that. If in case you're too young for marriage or you're already married, then I see a very happy surrounding. People around you are really happy and fulfilling you emotionally. So you're feeling very emotionally fulfilled wherever you are right now. Your dreams are coming into fruition. You're happy. You'll be able to manifest what you were asking for. If it's about love, there is someone very soon reaching out to you with an offer of marriage. I do see this happening very strongly. If not marriage, then something very, very long-term commitment that will turn to marriage most probably. And I feel like this person is taking it slowly. It's not going to be like rushing, although they're rushing in, but they're going to take one step at a time towards you, okay? So this could be a Cancer person, Virgo, Taurus, Aquarius person, Scorpio, Pisces. So they want to build a home with you. They want to marry you. This could be someone coming from a very far away place, like someone from a different cultural background, you know, like that. And I feel like Sagittarius, recently you have moved out of a very untrustworthy connection or unfulfilling connection, and now you're moving on towards light. Do you see this? So there is light at the end of the tunnel kind of a situation. So you're happy because wow, I see when you decided to cut off cords from something that was confusing you from a long time, that's when you meet your soulmate. So I do see your soulmate is reaching out to you very soon, or they've already reached out to you and they're making all the efforts to get to know you. And I feel like you're already in touch with this person, you're talking to this person, and this is going really nice. This person shows you a lot of affection, love, respect that you've always wanted in this. Do not second thought this if this person's already saying they want to marry you. And yeah, by being sane, you should go for it, I feel. So I do see a lot of communication happening to and fro. This person loves to talk to you. They just find home in being with you. Like you're like another home for this person, okay? When you were stressing over the past connection, this person was keeping an eye on you, and I feel like this person was or is having a huge crush. Like they are, you don't know, Sagittarius, maybe you were not focused, or you were blocked, you were blocking yourself, you were blindfolded because of the past connection. You didn't know that there were so many offers, so many people who were attracted to you, but you just wanted to focus on the past person. However, there is this one promising connection that is really, really interested and finds you extremely attracted. They are attracted to you, like to the point that they have a major crush on you, and now they want to spend the rest of their life. That's how they're going to say to you. And I feel this person sees you like a proper soulmate, like someone who they can share their problems, worries with without hesitation. See, the King and Queen of Pentacles is very clearly telling me that you guys are meant for each other. You guys are soulmate. So finally you're going to meet your soulmate. And the best part that this connection will have a lot of to and fro communication. This person will love to share each and every detail about their life with you, and you will feel always blessed and happy and proud that this person treats you like such a king or a queen. However, This is completely new connection. If you're wondering, maybe this is someone from the past wanting to come back into your life, no. This is someone that you have separated from, and a new person that could be one of your friends or in your friend circle. This could be someone with whom you discuss about work, with whom there is a work related connection, there is a money related connection. I do see this is gonna change into something very, very solid. So you're not aware right now, Sagittarius. You may be wondering, who is she talking about? Like, I don't know. Let it happen naturally. Don't try to control things, because when you overthink things, things don't go the way they're meant to go. So just let it happen on its own, and stop being stung or stop being hung up to overthinking things, and and having negative thinking in your mind, like this is not happening, that is not happening. Just release those kind of thoughts. Plus, release a person from the past that's still stuck in your mind, because this person is simply waste of time. You were wasting your time on someone that was very toxic, and now you've released it and you're feeling really happy. You feel like you're on the top of the sky, and you just want to have fun. You're just so happy being with yourself, and you just want to explore. Maybe your person was very possessive. They didn't allow you to look around, or to love yourself, or to find new opportunities. And now you're open to opportunities. You can find out new job, you can find out new hobbies, you can be open to new options in love. There's so many things that you can try, and you're feeling so blessed right now. Otherwise, before, you were completely blindfolded, not opening up. So I feel like the past person is still keeping a watch on you, and they still want to try to reach out to you so that you can open up to them and you can talk to them. But no, don't do this, Sagittarius. Wherever you are, you're going right. And I also see your ex being very interested in your money, so be careful about that. I see your money needs to be very crucial point in June. So save as much as you can, okay? Don't spend too much on unnecessary things. And I do see your psychic power is also going to tell you something is not right, okay? Your gut feeling is going to, give you a nudge on your shoulder every now and then when you feel something's not going on right. And I do feel like you were sinking in love with the wrong person, and now you're coming out, and you still have that lingering feeling in you. Just release that. You may be dealing with a Scorpio from the past, or a Libra, Gemini, Aquarius that you really need to release, because someone has been wearing a false mask, telling you the lies, and not being there in your life consistently. So you need to release that person. With this full moon, do you see this is moon, right? So this energy is telling me that right now, Sagittarius, you've gone through major emotional phase, and that was needed, because then only you can release all your suppressed emotions, right? So you're releasing your emotions, and now you're moving towards healing. So this is a time for you to embrace new life. So I see a new beginning. You are coming off as a new person, and you feel like you're a celebrity of some kind. You feel so appreciated. You're enjoying everything. You're loving everything. You're loving yourself. You're manifesting your heart's desire. Universe is working with you. Your energy is aligning. You're being more positive. I do see you could be dealing with an Aquarius, a new person. But I do see right now you just simply want to enjoy your own life. You don't want any fuzz related to love. And there are so many options who are interested in you, but you simply want to focus on self. Okay, so I would say that do not completely reject options. Just keep it slow. Like, don't rush into relationships. Go one by one. And I do see you a new beginning happening in your life, but right now you're simply healing yourself from whatever happened, and now you're just manifesting everything that you always wanted to, like good money, good living, good clothes, good friends. Everything is going so great in your life right now. Children, so I do see some of you spending great time with children is making you feel so good. I do see you have friends who could be younger than you, or they're simply your friends who really treat you like gems. So do not ignore them. Spend more time with them, because this is going to heal you even more. This could be someone who is a childhood friend also wanting to reach out to you as a friend. Free yourself. So you need to free yourself from someone who is troubling you. And I feel like friends will really help you release the past traumas. past life relationship. See, this is very clear that this is someone from the past or your childhood that you really need to release, or someone in your family may have lost something. You may have lost someone, or there is a childhood memory that you really need to release. So I feel like this is the right time for you to release any trauma, any mishappening that has happened, because now you're heading towards a major relationship, as well as finding your own value in this universe. So anxiety, fine, this anxiety can be released if you sleep on time. Okay, sleeping on time is very important for you right now. I see you being thinking too much, so don't. And also try to stay detached while you are attached to each and everything. Please keep a personal barrier so that nobody can touch you or hurt you in a way that would leave you sensitive, right? So let me just break down some signs, their feelings towards you, starting off from Aries. Aries feelings for Sagittarius. Okay, they don't want to talk, so there's no communication. Taurus feels for Sagittarius. Taurus wants to give up because they're open to options. Gemini feelings for Sag. Gemini feelings for Sag. They want to come towards you because they feel a rush of excitement when they think about you. They are very attracted to your beauty, physical, thing. Cancer's feeling towards Sag. Cancer towards Sag, please. Cancer. They think a lot about you, but they don't know how to take an action. Okay. Leos towards Sag, please. Leo's feelings towards Sag. They are observing you from afar but not taking any action. They will take at the right point of time. Libra's feelings towards Sag. They feel like it's time to let go because you're hard to get and you're above their league. Virgo's feelings for Sag. Virgo for Sag, please. Virgo is obsessing over you. They may be a narcissist, so be careful. Scorpio's feeling for Sag, please. Ooh, they want to marry you. Wow. They think you are a blessing in their life. They want to spend time with you. They want to talk to you. Capricorn's feeling towards Sag, please. They're in love with you. They see you as a soulmate. They have feelings. Sagittarius for another Sagittarius, please. Sagittarius for another Sag, please. Ooh, they're in love with you. There's a lot of love here. Aquarius feelings for Sag, please. Aquarius for Sag. Aquarius for Sag. They want to fight with you because they feel like you're a big competition. This would be a friend of yours also. Pisces feelings for Sag, please. Pisces for Sag. Okay, Pisces. Okay, they have physical attraction towards you, a lot of physical attraction. They find you extremely attractive. This could be an online person who met you online, or they check your pictures a lot, like they are smitten by the way you look, so they are attracted to you, but no love is there yet. So yeah, that's about it, Sagittarius. I hope you enjoyed it. Do not forget to like this video so that more and more people can watch this and get benefited. And do not forget to subscribe and comment down below. Let me know how this resonated. Till then, I will see you next time. Bye. Take care and stay blessed.